it's me, Floricel. So today I'm going to show you how to make the natural eye look tutorial. Well, actually, it's very easy to do. Just follow my steps and then you are ready. So all you need is eyeshadow that's lighter than your skin tone. It's in your skin tone and it's darker than your skin tone. Well, actually, you need to creamy looking ones, not all powdery and looking. You need to avoid that. So, well, you need to pick the creamy looking ones. Next, you need some foundation or concealer. Since I can't find concealer in my house, I'm gonna use this foundation. And you also need some of these. You need just a little bit, not too much, or it won't look that natural. And then you need is some mascara that gives you a natural look. So, well, for cosmetics, you need to use something like this. You need to use an eyeshadow brush. So, well, I don't know how I say it right, but I forgot what it's called, so don't judge me. So let's get started. So, well, first you need some foundation or concealer, and you need to put it in your under eye, over and under your eyebrow. It should be this much. So, well, you should do a triangle for more awake looking eyes. So next, you need to put your eyebrow little pilot thing. So, well, put it in your shade. So, well, make sure you add just a little bit. And don't press it too hard, just gently put it and blend it nicely. So next, you need to put your eyeshadow. Pick the one that's lighter, so put it as a base on it. So just wait for it. Okay, I put some on, and then put it to your eye. So next, pick the one that's in your shade. So put it to one of your end of the eye, like this. And then put a bit some in the under eye. And then put a dark shade. This isn't the darkest, darker than the shade. And then you're gonna put it on top of your under eye. Just add a little bit. And then blend it. And add some little bits in both ends of the eye. And you need some mascara that gives you a natural look. So, well, just apply it to your top and under eye. And we're done. Thank thank you so much for watching this video. So you gotta like this video. So you gotta subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the video. So I will see you soon. Bye.